Hello children, today we are going to read one new chapter, A Gift for Mummy, from your English 2 book. The name of the book is James English Reader Book, page number is 49. So come to page number 49 and open the chapter, A Gift for Mummy. So as you can see that a gift, when do we give gifts? When do we give gifts? When there is a occasion. Either it can be a birthday, it can be anniversary, it can be other such, it can be a wedding function. Okay, so when there is a function or an occasion, then we give gifts. Now let us know that for what a gift for mummy is brought. Now come to the text. Alia and Manya. There are two girls, as you can see in the picture. The two girls are decorating the room with what? With balloons. So there are two little girls. Name of one girl is Alia and other is Manya. Are very happy today. Now let us know the reason behind your happiness. It is mummy's birthday. So why they are happy? Because this is their mummy's birthday. Whose mummy? Alia and Manya's. They have decorated the room with balloons. So as we can see in the picture, they have decorated the room with balloons. Red balloons, blue balloons, green balloons and yellow balloons look so pretty. So now, balloons, the word balloons. Now what is this? Identify the part of speech. This is noun. Now, red balloon, color. When a word is describing the noun, that has become adjective. So here, red, yellow, green, blue. These all are what? These all are adjectives. Now we will get so many adjectives. Let us read. Papa has just come home from office. So from where Papa has come? Papa has come from office. Whose Papa? Manya and Alia's Papa. He has a box in his hand. Mummy's birthday gift. A tablet. So Manya's and Alia's Papa brought home one new gift for whom? For their mummy. Because it is her birthday. Please show it to us, Papa, says Manya. So who says this? Manya says this, that please show it to us, Papa. Papa opens the box and takes out the tablet. It is white and slim. So again we are getting adjectives repeatedly. Why? Because it needs to describe things, objects, person, any other nouns. So if I ask you that how is the tablet, describe the tablet with two adjectives, then what will you pick? You will pick these two given adjectives. It is white and slim. Alia says, it is as big as my new storybook. So how is it? It is like a new storybook. Whose storybook? Alia's storybook. And we can do so many things with it, says Manya. Papa tells them that mummy can take it to her office. So this is not only for doing so many things, this is also one important thing which their mummy needs to do in her office. She can use it to make notes. Papa puts the tablet back in the box and ties a ribbon around it. How we pack a gift? Yes, definitely we pack a gift and generally we bind a ribbon around it to look good. So when we present someone a gift, we present it beautifully. We wrap the gift beautifully by putting it into the parcel, by circling any other beautiful things or any ribbons. Okay, so Papa also puts the tablet back in the box and ties a ribbon around it. The doorbell rings. Mummy is home. Alia opens the door for Mummy. Manya runs up and hugs her. Happy birthday, say Papa, Manya and Alia. So everyone wish her that a very happy birthday to her. Here is your gift. Thank you so much. She hugs all of them. So as looking that she is very happy to get the gifts. Who don't like gifts? Everyone. Everyone likes gifts. So their mummy also liked it. Mummy loves the gift. I can use it in the office. So what does mummy tell? Mummy tells that she can use it in the office. We can also watch videos at home, she says. We can listen to music anytime, says Papa. Alia asks Mummy, can we watch movies on Sunday? So look that the tablet is not for doing work in the office, but also it can be used in listening music and in watching videos on Sundays. May I use it for my science project? Asked Manya. Mummy loves, of course, it is our tablet. We will all share it. So, the tablet is not only for Mama. Mama says that she can share all these things with the children and with the family members of her. So, this is all about the today's topic. This story is carrying one important message that we should share our things with our family members. Okay? So student, I will provide you the question answers and the word meanings in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.